In this Canva tutorial, let's take a look at how to duplicate elements. So whether it's a shape, object, text, image, anything, doesn't matter. All you need to do is tap on it to select it. And then you should see an icon right here that's to duplicate that element. So if we tap on that, we get a duplicate version of it. We can click and drag that around. And so now we have two versions or two duplicates of that we can then go and edit. Now, if you don't see that little icon right there, then what you might have to do is click on the three dots, and then you'll find duplicate right here. This is in the new layout of Canva. Either way, when you click those three dots, you're going to be able to find duplicate, even if you have to scroll a little bit or swipe over. But there's duplicate right there. It does the exact same thing. Then we click off of this, and we're back in here with a duplicate element right there. And so that's how you can duplicate text, objects, images, anything you want here in Canva on mobile.